Welcome to your video tutorial on flow, the flow of your talk or presentation. What do I mean by flow? I mean the journey you're taking your audience on. When you're in the planning stages, I think it's a great idea to know your end point. Where do you want your audience to end up? What do you want them to think or do as a result of what you said? So if you know your starting point and you know your end point, then it's the journey between those two things. And just like with a fantastic film or a great Netflix drama, there'll be twists and turns in the road and ups and downs, and that's a journey you can also take your audience on. And of course, it doesn't have to be as dramatic as that, but I think it can really engage the audience because you want to make them feel certain things. You may want them to feel happy, sad, excited, and so on. So have a think about that in the planning stages, and it's a super easy way to engage your audience. Thank you very much.